Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Gray here. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I want to explain what a Roth IRA is I'm going to try to do this in under 5 minutes. So I'm going to put a timer right here, and we're going to see if I can do it. And so this is going to be a very quick, very little cut episode, but let's go ahead and jump right into it. So a Roth IRA is a retirement account where you contribute money after you have paid taxes on it so that you can enjoy tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. So how does it work? So you take money. Let's say you get paid whatever amount, but you want to take $600 every single month, which would come out to a little over, you would hit $7,000 a year with that. If you want to max it out, the limit for a Roth IRA is $7,000 a year. That is what you are allowed to contribute into this. So imagine you're in a car, and in order to get to retirement, you need to get into that car, and you got to go on the journey of getting to retirement and building retirement up. And so part of it's going to be you get into the car, you put the money into the Roth IRA account. You've already paid taxes on it. You pay taxes on that money. And every time you're in that car, as you start driving, every mile you're in that car, you're growing your account. And so it's not a linear, it's not a straight up, but it's putting that money into the retirement account. And then you're putting it into the stock market. Typically, people choose what's called a retirement date fund. And so for me, I'm 22. By the time I turn 65, it should be around 2065. And so I chose a target retirement date fund by 2065. Most big brokerages have these. So if you're looking at investing into a Roth IRA, I use Vanguard personally, but we also have Charles Schwab, Fidelity. We have multiple different brokerages that you can choose from. Your investments grow tax-free in an account like this. There are a few stipulations, but pretty much anyone can contribute. If you're a single filer, as long as you file less than $150K, or if you're filing jointly as a married couple, it has to be under $236,000. An important thing to note, you put the money in the account and then you have to put it towards something. Imagine you get in your car and you don't turn it on and you don't drive anywhere. That's not the point of the car to sit. It is very, very important. If you hear nothing else in this video, if you have a Roth IRA and you didn't realize this, putting money in the Roth IRA is kind of like putting money in your savings account, but we don't want to just let it sit in the savings account. We want it to be invested into the stock market. So you actually have to choose the investments. Why choose a Roth IRA? Well, there's three main reasons. One, you get tax-free growth. And so as I said, the money is taxed before it goes in the Roth IRA account, and then it grows completely tax-free so that your contributions can be withdrawn anytime, completely tax-free. The contribution limit for 2025 is $7,000 if you're under the age of 50. If you're over the age of 50, it goes up to $8,000. As I said, contributions can be withdrawn. I do not recommend this. As an investor myself, I do not recommend you take the contributions out, but there are some reasons you could take it out, house, medical emergency, whatever. You can take them out. No penalties, no taxes. There is no minimum distributions during your lifetime. And so you can just let the Roth IRA just grow and grow and grow. What can you invest in? You can invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds. It's very flexible. So as I said, do the target date. But if you're more interested in maybe doing mostly in a target date fund, but you also want some stocks, you want some bonds, etc., you can split it however you want. Contributions, you can withdraw them at any time with no penalty. And so contributions, meaning if I put in $1,000 and then I give it 5 years and it grows to $1,500, I can leave the $500 in and I can take up to that $1,000 back out. You can also withdraw the contributions and the gains as well after the age of 59 and a half, as long as the account has been opened for at least 5 years. A quick summary of this account to wrap this whole video up: pay taxes now, enjoy tax-free growth and money later. It's a powerful way to build retirement. And by the way, I made a video explaining where if you max this out every single month from ages 18 to 65, well, I'll let you watch that video and see how much money you can have. But I just want to make a call to action here. I want you to start now. Start early, however you are. I hope you're young enough that this can have tremendous wealth. But hey, if you're a little bit older, does not matter. Start early, contribute regularly, and watch your retirement savings grow. You guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.